You check your own story and you realize you have no reason of having Facebook. You have no reason of having Instagram, but you still use it. And that's what we call a monkey society. There is a song by Iron Maiden called For the Greater Good of God. And when you run through the lyrics of For the Greater Good of God, he spell out somewhere. When sometimes I see the world, I realize a blind drives the world. And that's the fact of life. Sometimes when I see the world, I realize a blind drives the world. You are walking behind the blind under an assumption what he is doing is right, but he cannot see. And that's what we call a monkey society. This story evolved. There's a beautiful book written by Gary C.K. Prahlad and Gary M.L. called Competing for the Future, where we come across this story, the story of monkey. What he did, he took 4 monkeys. I have been impressed with monkeys because we are going back to the monkeys. See, human evolution has become devolution. अगर आप अपनी जिंदगी देखोगे ना तो you realize कि you behaving like a monkey, you have no reason. One monkey jump, you jump. That's all. So one monkey have a Facebook, you have a Facebook. And one monkey put a selfie, you put a selfie. And when you ask people why you take a selfie, he said, I don't know, selfie. But chalta hai, monkey story. So he picked up 4 monkeys, he put these monkeys in the room, he locked the room, and he started experimenting with these monkeys by saying, why monkey behave in certain manner? So in the center of a room, he put a pole, and top of the pole, he put a banana, because we all know monkey loves banana. The monkey got happy seeing banana. First monkey started climbing, he reached on the top of the pole, and he picked up the banana, but before he picked up a banana, someone has put a chilled shower on the ceiling. So before he picked up a banana, he made a shower on, and a water came on monkey, and a monkey got surprised. Oh, there is a water, I should not touch it. बाकी के 3 मंकी देख रहे थे कि ऊपर जाओ तो ये पानी आता है कहीं से. So he came back, the second monkey started climbing. Now while he started climbing, he saw what happened to the first monkey. ये तीनों monkey बात कर रहे थे कि भाई कुछ तकलीफ है ऊपर. So there was a noise. Because of this noise, the second monkey was scared कि जाए ना जाए. He still kept on climbing. But before again he reached on the top and he picked up a banana, someone again put a chill shower on, and again the water came in, the monkey came back on the floor. Remaining 2 monkey so observed, so 2 नीचे आ गए, तीसरे ने चलना शुरू किया. अभी 2 ने तो एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया था. While he was climbing, the 3 monkeys started advising, don't climb, there's a water. He was scared, he still kept on climbing. He reached there. Before he picked up banana, again put someone's chill shower on, and again he came back on floor without having banana because of the water effect. Now the 4th monkey started climbing. The rest of the 3 monkeys have experienced water. They started shouting and jumping in the room here and there, and there was a scary, fearful environment got created in the room. So the 4th monkey was climbing. He realized, I should not climb. Something is wrong. So rather than going to the top and rather than trying to pick up the banana, he came back on floor without trying to touch the banana before someone makes shower on, just because of the noise created by the monkeys. 1 monkey have been removed. New monkey have been introduced. And the moment a new have been introduced, this monkey have no idea what happened to the previous 3 monkey. He saw banana. Banana is an opportunity. He saw banana. He started climbing. The moment he started climbing, rest of the 3 monkeys started shouting, jumping, and again creating a scary environment in the room. The new monkey who did not see what happened to the previous monkey, but he also came back on floor without trying to touch banana before someone makes shower on, just because of the noise created by the monkey. One by one, all 4 new monkeys, original monkey who were there, who have seen the water effect, have been removed. And all the 4 monkeys were there, they were new. And these are the monkeys who had not seen the shower effect. But these are the monkeys who were living within a previous monkey, and every monkey was saying you should not touch. Charo monkey nahe the, they started climbing. Before again you reach on the top, again someone put a chill shower on, but while he started climbing, these 3 monkeys started jumping. So rather than going on the top, the monkey realized my monkeys are asking me not to climb, I should come back. And he came back without trying to touch a banana. That's where C.K. Prahlad asked a question. Does any monkey know why they are shouting? No. Monkey only know one thing, it's our job to shout when someone climbs. Does any monkey know why we required Facebook and Instagram? No. But my friend have, my relative have, my classmate have, my neighbor have, my senior have, so I will have. And that's where we said we are precisely living in a monkey societies. 10% people always will have a reason, so don't say I know the reason. And I am a politically correct person, so 90% people don't have a reason. So if you will say I have a reason, I'll say you among 10%, so we are free, okay? But 90% monkeys have no reason why they do what they do. And this monkey society, without knowing, get into a madness of social media.